Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Avdi और क्या मस्त धूप आ रही है. Sorry for being distracted. So yeah, today what we are going to do is we are going to test out the celebrity favorite healthy recipes that they like to eat for their health or whatever reasons, like they have it in their routine. So I'm going to try some of the recipes for you. So let's explore some healthy recipes. So without any further ado and without any further more buck, let's begin the video. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. सो द फर्स्ट रेसिपी जो हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं, इट इज़ शिल्पा शेट्टी कुंद्रास ओवरनाइट ओट्स. ओके, सो शी सेड ओवरनाइट ओट्स को सोक करना है विथ चिया सीड्स एंड आई हैव एडेड डेट्स, सो डेट्स सॉफ्ट एंड नाइस हो जाए.
So I soak oats the previous night with chia seeds and almond milk, and I have a very big high fiber breakfast.
उसके ऊपर आज हमने एक सीजनल फ्रूट ऐड किया है और यू कैन ऑल्सो ऐड हनी, क्योंकि शी सेज की नेचुरल स्वीटनर्स ही यू शुड यूज़. तो हमें नहीं लगता कि हमें हनी की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी क्योंकि ऑलरेडी एप्पल एंड डेट्स दोनों हैं. तो नाउ लेट अस मिक्स दिस. इट लुक्स गुड, नो डाउट. लेट अस मिक्स इट एंड ईट इट एंड आई विल टेल यू हाउ इट टेस्ट्स. I need one more bite. I'm very confused actually. It is like जिसको oats पसंद होगा ना, they will only like this bowl, वरना जिसको oats नहीं पसंद, there's no chance you will like this. But it's tasty overall. Not that good of a breakfast, but decent. So we are going to rate the celebrity favorite recipes out of 5. So for this, okay, so one more thing, I've also added the seeds like pumpkin seeds and all the seeds जो भी आते हैं, flax seeds, मैंने सब इसमें ऐड किया है और फिर इसका मैं रिव्यू दे रही हूँ. तो what I think is out of 5, I need one more bite before that. I give this 3 out of 5. It's quite decent, not that good, not that bad, decent. So we give Shilpa Shetty's overnight oats 3 out of 5. Okay, so the Shilpa Shetty's recipe was quite okay. Like, it was not that good. Like, I would not like to have it every single day because it may become boring eventually. So for the taste, I will give it a 3. For convenience or stuff, I can give it a 2 because वो पूरी रात भिगोना पड़ेगा फिर जाके तुम सुबह. It's called overnight oats for a reason. So for convenience, I will give 2. And yeah, that is my score for Shilpa Shetty Kundra. Hey guys, so now it is time for lunch. So for lunch, we are having Alia Bhatt's beetroot salad. So here is the recipe.
तो बीटरूट सैलेड is one of my favorite things. I used to eat it constantly. I remember during Dear Zindagi, क्योंकि मैं गोवा में शूट कर रही थी and it was very very hot. So I was only eating this one beetroot salad. तो कैसे बनाते बीटरूट सैलेड? Beetroot is very good for the skin. I'm feeling like a full like chef. तो इसके बाद क्या? पूरा डालना है और फिर मिक्स करना है. अभी क्या करूं? चाट मसाला.
Sounds easy.
बस तड़का.
I think
गाइस
it
वन
is
मोर थिंग
very
यू शुड
hard to
अंडरस्टैंड,
make.
मैं दही तड़के के बिना नहीं खाती हूँ. सो तड़का में जाता है राई, जीरा, हींग एंड कड़ी
So
पत्ता. दैट्स माय फेवरेट.
let's make this, and we will get back with
अभी
the
mix
bowl
करना है.
of beetroot raita. Let's go. Some beetroot. Some glass. Guys, look at the color. The color looks so good, so pink. Love the color. Okay guys, so the beetroot raita is here. Oh my god, looks so tempting, not going to lie. So I think without any further ado, we should just dig into it. Looks so nice and pink. I'm so sorry, but this is one of the best raitas I've ever had. Love, love, love the flavor. The tadka does wonders to the raita, and it is not going to lie, one of the best raitas I've ever had. I can't stop having it. I'll give this raita 100 out of 5 because I love it. It is so, like, the beetroot gives the sweetness and the chaat masala gives the tanginess and the saltiness. The tadka is the cherry on the cake. Trust me, love, love, love the flavor of the tadka. And honestly, 100 out of 5. Love this. Putting this recipe to my everyday routine, no doubt. Coming to Alia Bhatt's recipe, it's very quick, nice and soothing, honestly. मैंने आपने मेरा स्कोर देख ही लिया है. It's 100 on 5, but yeah, it's 5 on 5 on 5 on 5 for me. And for convenience, I will also give 5 on 5 because it's very, very, very simple to make, and at the same time, it is filling and soothing and love it. Okay guys, so it is time for dinner. I know धूप आ रही है और मैं dinner की बात कर रही हूँ, but yes, we do early dinner. So for dinner, we are making thecha paneer. Here is the recipe.
Okay, so this paneer thecha is made at my home all the time. We dry roast the garlic, green chili, mota namak, tegdana. That also you dry roast it. Lots of coriander, which is kothmeer, and we also take the stem. You just
Looks
have to
yummy.
crush it, coat it, take the paneer, whichever paneer you like. Halka tawe pe, very little oil pe, and you seko it.
Oh, nice. Definitely going to try.
तो चलो बनाते हैं. Guys, so this is how our thecha paneer is looking like. थोड़ा जो रेड रेड है वो थोड़ा मैंने गार्लिक का चटनी डाला है. So I know थोड़ा फॉर्म शेप बिगड़ा हुआ है, बट ये घर का बना हुआ पनीर है तो इट इज़ नॉट इन प्रॉपर शेप. So I can't wait to try this. Let's go. The onion gives the kick, which is so much needed. My god, this is so tasty. I'm giving this recipe 5 on 5. Actually 10 on 5. I totally recommend this. The paneer and the thecha go so well together. You should really try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you like it just as much as I like it. For Malaika Arora's thecha paneer, oh my god, it was amazing. I just had it. So yeah, for Malaika Arora's thecha paneer, I give her 5 on 5 for the taste, and I will give 3 for the convenience of making it, because थोड़ा तो process है वो ठेचा grind करना, उसको सेकना वगैरह. So for convenience I will give it a 3, and for taste I'll give it a 5. So yeah, that is my score. I think I'm going to complete this. See you in the next vlog. I hope you like this one, and yeah, see you next time. And if you want part 2 of this video, comment in the comment section below and like this video and subscribe कर दो यार. Subscribe क्यों नहीं करते हो? Subscribe करो जल्दी. We need to reach 500 as soon as possible. Love it.